What happens when you eat sugar every day for 30 days? Your body goes through surprising changes, and some of them may shock you. At first, sugar gives you a quick burst of energy. You may feel happier and more active for a short time. But after the sugar rush comes the crash. Your energy can drop, leaving you tired and wanting more sugar. After many days, your brain may start asking for more sweet foods. Sugar cravings can become stronger and harder to ignore. Frequent sugar intake causes repeated blood sugar spikes. Your body has to work harder to keep balance. Too much sugar can affect your mood and concentration. Some people experience energy swings throughout the day. Sugar also feeds harmful bacteria in your mouth, increasing the risk of tooth problems when dental care is ignored. When you reduce added sugar, your body can begin adjusting. Energy levels and cravings may improve over time. With healthier habits, your body can feel more balanced. Small changes can create big improvements. Sugar is not the enemy, but too much can affect your body. The key is balance, awareness, and smarter choices.